It's Christmas!
Hey, me, what are you doing? Huh? Oh, hey, I'm getting ready for Christmas! Do you like my decorations? Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, thanks, I'm so excited. The presents, the stockings, the decorations. Oh, man, let's get started right away. Whoa, hold on a tick, me. We can't do Christmas yet. We haven't gone through Advent. Huh? What, we have to wait? Well, yeah. I mean, for one thing, Christmas isn't until the 25th. And we have, a long way to go before that. Oh. But hey, cheer up! Like I said, we have to go through Advent first. Advent. Oh yeah, aren't those the little calendar thingies with the little windows? You open them each day and they've got little chocolates inside? Well, yeah, I guess. I mean, those are called Advent calendars. And we are making our own Advent calendar, aren't we? Well, yes, I mean, we're getting a bit off topic there, but I mean, yeah, over on our YouTube channel, Westside Church Wandsworth, we're going to be making online Advent calendars every single day from the 1st to the 25th. So if you want to check them out, then head on over to our YouTube channel. They should be a lot of fun, one for every single day. We also have our messy Christmas advert, don't we? Well, yes, but Advent. So this Sunday, we are hosting our very own Messy Christmas event. It's going to be amazing. We're going to do crafts and teach you how to do them. We're going to have a quiz all together all about Christmas, and we're going to tell Christmas stories. It's going to be so much fun, and it's all happening on Zoom this Sunday, Sunday the 6th of December. If you want to get involved, then you need to come and chat with me or Chris. We're both Chris, but chat with one of us Chris's. You can do that by either emailing me on chris@westsidechurch.org.uk or by giving me a call on 07910 922 771. Let me know as soon as you can because there's only limited supplies of goodie bags and we would love for you to come along. So get in there fast. Okay, great. So are we done with adverts? Can we get back to Advent now? Oh, yeah. So Advent, yeah. So it's about getting ready for Christmas, right? Well, yes and no. You see, Advent actually didn't have anything to do with Christmas at first. Huh? Here, let me sit down and tell you all about it. You see, the word Advent comes from a Latin word, adventus, which means coming. Throughout the Bible, book Christians read that teaches them about God. God was promising to send someone, a saviour, someone who would save everyone from sin. Sin is kind of like COVID. Anyone can have it. We need to get rid of it. It's really bad. And we need help in order to be able to fix it. And God did send a saviour. He sent him... Oh, no, wait! I'm just getting to the best bit!
Ruff, and now it's time for Furry Friends Films! Woohoo! Ruff!
Now then, Bones, my boy, we're about to go to the shops and pick up some Christmas shopping. Do you know what you're going to go and get for your mother?
I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure I'll think of something when we get there. Oh, thank you for driving me, Dad.
No problem, son. I had some things to pick up anyway. Right, we'll meet back at our rendezvous point in 10 minutes' time. Make sure your seatbelt's on.
Oh, wow, there's loads of cool things here. Oh, and there's a sale on. A sale?
Did he say a sale?
Honey, that boy said there's a sale. Oh, my.
Ooh, I must hurry, very quick. Woo! I'm coming, my son.
Oh, thanks, Dad. I thought I was gonna get squished by all those people.
No worries, son. Well, I'm just glad I could help. Shall we get home?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, man. Oh, they got me again. Anyway, God did send someone. He sent himself. God came down to earth as a baby, and he was called Jesus. Oh, just like in the story. Oh, hey, Bones. How do you mean?
Well, my dad came and saved me when I needed help, and God came and saved us when we needed help.
Right. You see, in the Bible, God had told us loads of times that a saviour would be coming. And one of the best examples of that is taken from Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6. It says this: "A child will be born to us. God will give a son to us. He will be responsible for leading the people. His name will be Wonderful Counselor, Powerful God, Father who lives forever, Prince of Peace." And this person was to be Jesus.
So that's Advent then. Jesus is coming at Christmas. Oh boy.
Well, no, that's the best part. You see, Jesus isn't coming at Christmas time. Jesus has already been. He came years and years ago at the first Christmas. And he grew up, he taught people loads of different things, and then he died for our sake on a cross. And then 3 days later, he came back to life. And he now lives, alive and well, in heaven.
Okay, I'm confused then. What is Advent?
Advent still means that God is coming. You see, Jesus is alive and well in heaven right now. But one day he's going to come back again, and that is going to be absolutely amazing. And that's what we're waiting for, when God comes back. Some people celebrate Advent by remembering when Jesus had already come the first time at Christmas. And that's okay. The way they do that is they light candles on the 4 Sundays leading up to Christmas, one of which has already been, and the next one is this Sunday coming, the second one out of 4.
Oh, I get it. Advent is about waiting for when Jesus will come. He already came once at Christmas, hence Christmas Advent, and he's going to come back again someday.
Exactly. Thanks for your help, Bones. It was really great to see you.
You're welcome. Now, I'm off to go find my friend Nanook. He's really good at hiding. Bye! Right.
So you see, Advent isn't about getting ready for Christmas. It's about getting ready for God, getting ready for Jesus. Wow, okay, I get it now. Man, Jesus is so cool for doing all that stuff just for us. He sure is. So feel free to get excited about stockings and presents and decorations and all that Christmas stuff. But remember Advent, because God is coming, and it's going to be really cool when he does. Wow, all this talk about Jesus has got me super excited. Oh, can we tell the Christmas story? You know, the story of when Jesus first came, you know, with the nativity and the shepherds and Mary and Joseph. Oh, I bet the furry film friends could help us out with it. Well, sadly, we don't have time this week. But our good friend Anne will be along next week to tell you all about Jesus and the first time he came on that first Christmas with all of her friends. So that's something to look forward to. Until then though, bye!